Good evening. Again, Dr. M.L. Verma here in live stream. And this is a special live stream for beginners. And this live stream is because of some questions arose by many sister lovers, sister learners. Many times one question is asked that how to set my laptop for sister tutorial run, and I am using especially that Windows operating system and I want to learn Siesta. So that simple answer is you have to use VirtualBox, and in the beginning I have also given one tutorial for that VMware and that CentOS operating system were installed on that, and learners are using that tool. But now I have some more good tools to learn Siesta using VirtualBox. And if anyone have installed that Ubuntu in their as a prime operating system of their laptop or desktop, then here I am giving the links for that visualization tools as well as parallel system installation in their laptop or desktop in their Ubuntu operating system to set to run that Siesta tutorials. But here I am introducing that Siesta mobiles and quantum mobiles developed by Siesta developers, and especially for beginners and using laptop with that Windows operating system. So what you have to do that we have to install that VirtualBox. Then you can Google it, that VirtualBox, and also I have given the link in the description of this stream live video. And you have to download that quantum mobile as well as that Siesta mobile, and then import that quantum mobiles or Siesta mobiles in that VirtualBox. So I am giving that techniques how to use that. And that Siesta mobile is especially designed for Siesta learner, and which can be used in the workshop. And from tomorrow onward I am going to the workshop in Central University of Haryana, and I will try to use this Siesta mobile there also. So let's see how we can get that. So we will start from googling that Siesta project. So in this let me click here at the GIT lab, and this is Siesta project. And now let me go to the documentation part, and in this documentation part, that topmost part, that it is the description of latest Siesta school in summer 2021. It's mentioned here, and here the school tutorials and how to's can be found here. So let me click here and you can get that. So by clicking I will here that Siesta documentation, and again let me start tutorials, and this setting up the local working environment for the tutorial exercise. So now this is that setup, and here that quantum mobile link is here, and that Siesta mobile link is here. So I have given this quantum mobile link in that description part, and you can just by clicking that you can come to this particular page. And this is that quantum mobile, and it is Hydra based mobiles. And if you are familiar with the Python tools, Python framework, then you can go to this, and by using this Hydra you can use this Siesta and other good tools. So but I am giving a passage to use this another link that is for the Siesta mobile, and here there are 3 files which is connected with this directory, and you have to download this Siesta mobile version 0.2.0, and the size of this file is about 3 3 GB, and that this is readme text file, and the details are here, and method is also here. So you have to download virtual machine image, this install VirtualBox 6.1.6, this install this, and later by using this VirtualBox organization, and remember this, that the VirtualBox version must be more than that 6.1.6, and then you have to import the virtual machine, and by using that import appliance, and you can install that Siesta virtual machine in normal mode. And so Siesta compiled Siesta and some good tools are there. So I have already downloaded the Siesta mobiles and Quantum mobiles in my system, and also I have installed that that VirtualBox. This is that downloaded VirtualBox executive files, and I have downloaded this VirtualBox here, and okay, so this is my VirtualBox, and I have installed this Siesta mobiles and Quantum mobiles. But before that installation of this VirtualBox, you must just go to that BIOS setup, and virtualization should be must be activated, otherwise some errors may be given by this. So how we have to start? So this is that system, so preferences, import, export, new, add, all these are, and by this adding you can install Ubuntu operating system also. So but here I have to use this Siesta mobile, so let me import this. So by clicking this, the window will open, and you have to give the path of that Siesta mobile. So here I have downloaded that Siesta mobile. This is that Siesta mobile, and Quantum mobile is here, and Siesta mobile is here. So let me open this. So this is that path of my downloaded Siesta mobile. So now by clicking next, I will get this finish. So after finishing, I have to agree this terms and condition. So this is simple window method. So this will take some time to import, depending on your speed of your system, your RAM and other things. So you can set the RAM and other things by giving that preferences and things. So before just completing this, let me say something about this Siesta mobiles. And so this is the details of Siesta mobiles, and the provide cutting edge version of Siesta with numbers of features that is not officially released by developers, that time dependent density functional theory and some good tutorials are here. So one should use this. So also some that things which are not given and compile later. So you can compile that PDAS XML using this how to. So one can compile this EIG to DAS because it is not given in that VirtualBox and projected density of states. And what are all these? If you are familiar with Siesta and related tools, you know better. But for the beginners, you have to go to my tutorials uploaded earlier in this particular channel. So okay, let us see the progress in that. So this is Quantum mobile, and this is Siesta mobile, but still I think it's 22%. So let us wait. So in this Siesta mobile, what we can get, we will have that XM Grace, X Christian, JMOL, and also that Siesta compiled. So that necessary tools which is required for sister tutorials can be installed ready-made, so you don't need to install this. But if you have that Ubuntu operating system, so I would like to mention here that you should install that Ubuntu 20.04, because I faced some problems in it's a 22.04 version. So I generally recommend that you should start either 18.04, because it's system mobile, it is working at 18.04, you can upgrade to 20.04, and that quantum mobile, in this quantum mobile it's that 20.04 is installed. So let me open this. So okay, so for first time it may take some time. So starting that virtual machine with this system mobile, and I have that virtual box 7.0. Okay, so sorry it's taking some time. Please wait for some more seconds, not minutes. Yes, now it's ready, and that readme file is here, and in this readme file the methodology is mentioned. So these are that Abinit, Siesta and Warrior 19, it is installed here, and also this ideas here, and you can use this, and password of this is Moritz, Moritz, Moritz root password. If you want to install that some other tool, then you can use that root password here. So this is that username and password for further use. So many tools are given here, installed here. So let me check. So this is that window. So mpi run Siesta. Okay, so Siesta is installed, and here 2 nodes are being used, and okay, you can upgrade, and also XM Grace, this is the plotting tool, so it is also installed here, and that you have to set this visualization of desktop, desktop compared to that with that compared to your window operating system. And now X Christian, yes, X Christian is also installed. Jmol. So these are the tools we generally used as pre and post processing tools for the system. So this has already been installed. So your system is ready to use to learn system, and you can run tutorials, different tutorials here. Anyway, so this is that system mobile. So it's now ready to use. By using the similar method, you can import that quantum mobile also. and that this is the quantum mobile. So this is cider based, and so you have to say it that Siesta by using the method given in the tutorials. I have given that link. So okay, so this is quantum mobile, and you can say that in VirtualBox that 1 to 20.04 is installed in this form, and it's many tools are available here, and especially that Python based tools are already installed, and you can go in the tutorial in the link that quantum mobile, and you can use this. Okay, so yeah, okay, this is that Jupyter Lab for the Python user, and again that release note and readme files are here, and if you want to run that Siesta and related tools, you can also as mentioned in my earlier tutorials, then you can install that virtual visualization tools by using this script, and in this script you can install that GDIS, Grace, XM Grace, JMOL, Molden, Avogadro, and Wine also. So that method of running this script is just you have to use sh. So method is simple, just to use sh and MLV visualization tool sh, and this will run. And but remember this, your internet connectivity must be good, then all the tools will be automatically installed, and you can use that during any workshop as well as for your personal use in the during that for the Siesta learning. And for installation of Siesta in parallel mode, you can use this. So that again the method is method of installation is mentioned here, and the requirements again your internet connectivity must be good, and here you can install that 4.1.5 version, or that in B3. So in general I install this B5, and this will start that Siesta 4.1.5, and this is the recent and stable version, and also this will install that post-processing tools like EIG2 DAS, Road to XSAPE, and GNU bands and other things. So this is a good script, and I have given that link in that description part of this video. And also if you have that within that Ubuntu installed in your laptop and or your desktop, you can also use these two tools. But remember this, you have to use this visualization tool first, and you should use this in the second as a second part, and you will have that Siesta and other tools, pre and post processing tools in your system, and you can start learning Siesta. So I think this is more than okay for today's streaming, and